Welcome to 7 Meares Avenue in Gracemere. This wonderful family home is not only striking from the street facade, but it's a generous and well-proportioned home with great upgraded features like porcelain tiles, unique patterns, 2 living areas, and a huge outdoor living area. Why don't we go inside and take a quick look around? I love what this foyer does to this home. It creates a sense of luxe. We've got a beautiful tiled floor and extra high ceiling. And when you walk through, you've got this great open plan kitchen that you get aspects of the outdoor entertaining area and the second living space. Well, if you can see yourself living at 7 Meares Avenue in Gracemere, why don't you give our team a call? We would love to help you out.